So I'm expecting to pay around, I don't know, maybe around a little over 3K.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. Motorcycle cop behind us right now, man. What's up, family? It's your boy Dylan Sangley. We are back again with another banger video. So today is finally the day that we are finally going to breathe, guys. I'm finally going to breathe. Or at least I pray that I'm gonna finally breathe, all right? Because I'm finally gonna get my rear axle, rear brake pads, and my skid plate done, man. But yeah, guys, we have an appointment at 8 a.m. I don't want to be late. It's about 7:35 right now. So before we go there, I'm actually gonna go put together a gift for my guy Carlos at Garden Ford because he took care of the boy, man. He's the one that found out that there's actually a factory coverage for my rear axle, which is gonna save me like $1,500 to $2,000. But yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. All right, so the gift I'm gonna give my guy is, of course, my book. We're gonna go and sign this for him. And then we got him a brand new Chinatown Market t-shirt. This is actually the Simpsons collab right here. So we're gonna bless them with those. And then you know what? I'm actually gonna add this as well to the package. We're gonna go ahead and get him a super clean pair of Georgetown Dunks. We're gonna go and put this together for him and then head out. And the cold start that never, ever, ever will get old. Let's do it. Yes, sir. Ski. Wow. That thing will never get old, man. That thing will never get old. Yes, sir. Ski. All right, guys, let's head over to Garden Ford. On the way there right now, I was thinking about all of the comments from the last video, the last, I think, what was it, 30-day video? A lot of you guys have been showing a lot of love, okay? And then there's a lot of other people that are giving me a lot of constructive criticism. And I love it all because I am no car expert. So all of the free game that you guys are giving me in the comments is amazing. I love it all. One of the main things people were saying when I got my oil change was, oh, you know, why don't you do your own oil change? And, you know, what are they putting inside your car? Gold. And to be honest with you guys, yes, I know that taking it to the dealerships is going to be super hefty, or taking it to my local mechanic might be a lot cheaper. But to be honest with you guys, it gives me a lot more peace of mind knowing that we are taking it to a dealership that has worked on millions and millions and millions of these cars. Yeah, I guess, you know, some mechanics here locally could work on Shelby GT500s, but the ones that we go to, I don't know, I don't see a lot of those cars over there, man. You know what I mean? Obviously, I can make different connections and, you know, check out different shops locally, but it's also about convenience. I've already built and made all these different connections at these dealerships, so why not just go to them? Like I said, they take care of me. Carlos was able to find out that there was a factory coverage. If it wasn't for him, then I wouldn't have known that. He may have saved me $1,500 to $2,000 plus just on the parts and labor. Like I said, guys, I appreciate all of the amazing comments and all of the amazing feedback. All right, so keep them coming, man. Keep them coming because, again, I am no car expert. I just love cars. That's it. I love Shelbys. I love my Shelby, of course. So we're just gonna continue to document this journey. We're gonna continue to make lots of amazing content, and I hope you guys are ready for this journey, man. But yeah, guys, we're almost there. Let's go and drive safe. Yes, sir. See you guys there. All right, guys, we made it safely here at Garden Ford. And Papa Sangley is actually going to be meeting us here very soon, but unfortunately his car got to go to the shop too, so he's actually taking his to our local mechanic. I think last week my truck was over there as well because there was a leak in the hose, so the coolant wasn't, you know, staying there. So but yeah, guys, we made it. We're gonna go ahead and ask for Carlos. Is Carlos here, bro?
He's not.
He's gone?
He's off today.
Oh, for real?
He'll be here tomorrow, though.
Okay, for sure, bro, for sure.
You just want to come back tomorrow?
No, I have an appointment today.
Oh, what's the appointment for?
Rear axle, rear brake pads, and skid plate. Yeah, I already made the trip, so I'm already here.
No, I gotcha. Is it under Carlos, or is it?
It is under him. Let me see. But you guys do see it. I do have an appointment 6/17/25 at 8 a.m. So it is June 17th. Yes, it is. You guys see it. So But yeah, guys, we're gonna still get this done today. I didn't drive over here for nothing, so.
This is nice, man.
Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it, man. Perfect, man. Yeah, if I could pick it up this afternoon, that'd be perfect. But thank you so much, Aaron. Appreciate you, brother. So I'm expecting to pay around, I don't know, maybe around a little over 3K from what I've heard, but hopefully less. I gotta look at this RTR again, man. This thing is absolutely crazy. That color just goes crazy from like, what is it? Purple to blue to green. That is just crazy, man. I think they dropped down the price though. I think it's like 103,000 now. They wanted like 113,000 before, but I think they had dropped down the price. Nope, right there. So it's 108 now. $108,000. Yeah, man, I'm gonna wait for my dad out here and then just check out some cars. Like I said, I don't know how much they're gonna quote me for, so we're just gonna pay that off, get that taken care of, and then just keep moving on, man. Like I said, there's really no need to stress. There's really no need to worry because everything is in God's hands. And that's what gives me the peace of mind, right? That gives me the security knowing that my life is in his hands. That's what you guys gotta do right now. That's what everyone watching right now gotta do, is just leave your life in God's hands, because realistically, it's not up to you, it's up to him. So he has a plan for you, he has a plan for all of us. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go wait for Papa Sangley. Like I said, he's getting his car towed to another mechanic. Prayers up to him, man, because I don't know what's going on with his car. A little quick story, man. My sister had a flat tire on the freeway. All right, some scary stuff. So I actually had to go pick her up at 11 p.m. I met her on the freeway at 11 p.m. We called roadside assistance. We got her flat tire fixed. And then when I got back to my Expedition, my battery was low. And then as I was driving home, my Expedition was fine. And then my dad calls and he goes, hey, I need you to pick me up at work because my Thunderbird isn't starting. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and pick you up. So I'm on the way to his work now and he calls me back again. He goes, hey, you know, the Thunderbird actually was able to start. So I'm like, okay, I'll follow you back home. And as I was following him back to his house, my Expedition died on the road, man. So my dad had to go to his house, get my mom's SUV, and then bring it to me so that he could jumpstart my car. The jumpstart didn't work, so he had to go back again, get the battery from his Thunderbird, and then put it into my truck so that I could go home safely. Crazy story. And then the next day we replaced the battery and then something else. I forgot what part it was, but my Expedition is about 26 years old right now. So hey, man, it still does wonders for the boy. All the shoes, all the inventory that I pick up anytime I do cash outs, that thing takes care of me. It's done a lot of things for me. It helps me out a lot, so I don't want to ever get rid of that. But yeah, it's super hot. Let's head inside. Right now I'm posting content. You guys want to support the boy? Leave a like down below, leave a comment down below as well. Make sure you guys go subscribe, and also make sure you guys go shop on my eBay store. So this is where I actually sell everything that I buy and all the cash out videos that I post on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, the whole nine. Check out what we got right here. All right, and then my YouTube viewers watching right now, hit me up and say that you're from YouTube. Whatever price it's at right now, I'll give you an additional 10% off. All right, on me, I got you. Yeah, like I said, hit that link down below. Let's go. Papa Sangley made it. How's your Thunderbird, Dad?
It's sick right now. It's in the hospital.
Guys, look, there's another Brittany Blue Shelby GT500, and that is a carbon fiber track pack. That is freaking clean. This thing is sexy right here. Look at this. Carbon fiber track pack heritage edition. Check it out, man. Let's check it out. They gotta clean it though. Damn. So if it wasn't for the iconic silver or the color that I got right now, or even the carbonized gray, then I would definitely get this color right here. Look at, they still got, I think there's like a wrapping on the carbon fiber wheels too. Still got like a little wrap, but damn, look at that. They got like a little bow in there too. Yeah. That's funny, look at that. That is clean. Dad, is this the one you bought? Is this yours?
No.
This is yours, Dad?
No.
Oh man, that is nice, Dad. Do a little thumbs up in front of her.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. Dad, this is the one, man. Carbon fiber track pack, Brittany Blue Heritage Edition. Oh look, they even got like a little Team Shelby sticker in the front.
It's got the paint stripe too.
They gotta give her a bath though. Sheesh. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. You gotta get one of these, man. I'm gonna keep mine, and then my dad's gonna get this one right here. So Pops, you're gonna get one soon, Dad. This color right here. I'm calling it right now. God's plan.
Very nice.
I love that. I love that.
With
Wow.
the painted stripes.
Yes, sir. Got the 315s.
Very nice.
With the, let's see, what is this? The 305s. Perfect. There you go.
Our car's in service. We're just checking this out. You know, just got to see.
Somebody just bought this.
The bow. Not too sure.
Love that,
The
man.
bow on the back. So.
Yes, sir. Sheesh! That's awesome. Yeah, guys, my dad and I are probably gonna have some lunch or breakfast. It's only 10:15 right now, so. Dad, where are we going? Costco?
Sure.
All right, let's go to Costco. Riding in the GT500, the baby. It's my dad's baby right now. All right, guys, we just got to Costco. Parked about 15 miles away from the warehouse or from the entrance. But yeah, guys, we just left the Shelby so that they can do their thing. Hopefully we could pick it up today. They said tomorrow the latest, but I'm praying for today, man. I hate leaving any of my vehicles overnight. We're gonna go eat something light right now for breakfast slash lunch, brunch. Since we got that hefty bill, gotta treat dad out for something cheap. Maybe $1.50 hot dogs with a drink. There you go. With some coffee, maybe. Whatever dad wants. You could even get the $10 sandwich if you want.
Okay, sounds good to me.
What you guys see, we got the hot dog, we got our drinks, and we got my coffee. Damn, man, that's a lot of oil. That's crazy to me, man. Let's go grub. Guys, there's a motorcycle cop behind us right now, man. He's been following us since we left Costco, but I don't know, I don't think there's any reason to pull over my dad right now. So we're just going speed limit. Speed limit's 55 right now. But look, he's literally right there behind us, man. That's crazy. He hasn't left yet. Oh, here we go. He's gonna overtake you. Here we go. Woo, now you can breathe, Dad. All right, guys, so your boy is finally home. So that motorcycle police actually pulled someone over literally 2 minutes after I was recording. That is insane. So I think he was actually on the lookout to pull my dad over, but my dad was going under the speed limit, thank God. But yeah, guys, until we pick her up, we're gonna go ahead and do some work. Let's go. The shuttle actually picked me up right there too from my house. And man, you guys see the baby. Yes, sir. She's done. She's finished. Now we got to go pay the fee, man. How much do you guys think it's going to be? I'm guessing it's going to be $3,300. $3,300 is my guess. What do you guys think, man? Drop a comment down below. Don't cheat. Drop a comment down below right now. Let's see. There was any other issues or anything like that, right?
No.
No, we good. Okay, perfect.
Your fronts are just at those 5, so I would say probably like the next 2 services, depending on how hard you drive it, those might need to be.
I'm not going to drive it too hard, man. There's the keys.
Sir, I'm gonna pull it up right now for you.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you so much for asking. All right, you guys see it, 318208. Surcharge 90. Is there any way I could avoid the surcharge or no?
No, well, if you use credit, there's a 3% surcharge.
What about debit?
Debit doesn't have money.
Oh, debit doesn't have? I could do debit.
Okay, let me cancel.
The last time they got me for like a crazy surcharge. I'm like, what? Over like $100 bucks? All right, there you go. Good, perfect. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. All right, man, you guys see it paid. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Skit. All right, come here, Carlos. All right, Carlos. This is my guy. He been taking care of me, man. You know what I mean? So I had to get him a little box.
What's in it, bro?
It's a surprise. Let's see. Oh, damn.
No, man, it's the daily, bro.
Oh, shit. Bro just got a whole knife out. That's crazy.
This knife got a lot of stories.
Alright, we'll do one by one, bro. Do one by one. Do the top right here.
Shit. So this one
Or
first.
you can just do the shoes. It's already out.
I'll do this one.
Okay.
Let's see now.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, man. I think you'll like it. You know what I mean? I don't know your style, but I think you'll like it.
A little Simpson on there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Chinatown Market collab, bro. Super tough t-shirt, super rare to find.
Oh, shit.
So that's the Chinatown double XL for you, bro.
Hell yeah.
You know what I mean?
I appreciate that, bro.
I got you, brother. And then under that is my book. I signed it in there for you too, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
You know what I mean? So yeah, this is the book right here, available on eBay right now. I got you one for yourself.
Go ahead and get y'all one, man.
Yes, sir. And then last but not least, you got those yet?
Hell no.
To match the shirt,
clean,
bro.
These actually clean.
To match the shirt too. I know you're a size 11 and a half.
Yeah.
For dunks, you got to size up a little bit, so I got you those, man.
I appreciate
Much love,
it,
family. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I appreciate everything you do, bro.
Hell yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. Hopefully, I don't see you again soon. You know what I mean?
No. Take care of the baby, man.
Right?
Take care of the beast, but
if I see you next time, it's for something positive.
Right. I appreciate
Much
you,
love, family. Yes, sir. We'll see you again soon.
Yes, sir.
But for something positive, not no repairs, bro.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we finally got both of my beauties back in my garage. So this beauty was actually having a hose leak. So last week had a hose leak. We got it repaired. It's back in the garage. This, obviously, you guys know we had to get the rear brake pads replaced, the rear axle, and the skid plate replaced. So guys, I'm gonna throw up all of the photos that they took from me, man. So as you guys could see, this was the before photos. And for sure, all those things that I had done had to be done, man, okay? Because if I was too cheap and I didn't get it done, it would be super dangerous to drive my Shelby. And obviously, we wanna be safe. That is the main thing. We have to keep the car looking great, right? That is the main goal. That is the main objective, is to always be safe with whoever I'm with. So, as you guys could see from all these photos, I'm gonna throw this up right now. These are all of the after photos. So this is everything that was done to the car. And it looks amazing, it looks beautiful. And to be honest with you guys, there was a slight little squeak that I could hear from the brakes. So thank God we got that fixed. And now I don't hear anything. I just drove her home. She drives like butter. But yeah, guys, everything is finally done, man. So now, guys, we can go ahead and man, it is freaking hot in here. It is about 120 degrees here in Las Vegas. Thank you all so much for love and support. If you guys haven't already, please make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe down below. Leave me some feedback. How do you guys like my Shelby, man? The golden ticket. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy both of my beautiful vehicles. They are both healthy, so that is amazing. God is great all the time. We're gonna continue to pray. We're gonna continue to ask God for his guidance, because he is the only answer. All right, guys, so till next video, we'll see y'all soon. Love y'all so much. You know, always remember, don't sleep. We got the hate. Love y'all, man. Peace.
We up now. Drop